I've probably had the best time of my life in terms of a business environment. I'm always excited to see the new technologies that we're looking at going into and researching. I'm excited to go to a site to work, and I'd say for the first time in my life I'm actually enjoying work. It can be sort of a scanner issue, it can be a printer issue, it can be a PC issue. It could even just be if someone doesn't fully understand, they just need a little bit of help, I can help them with that. It can be talking to them on the phone, helping them through it, working with them from wherever they are. Or it can be going to site and meeting them face to face and helping them that way and getting more hands-on. The kind of people that work here at OAL, there are so many different backgrounds. There are people that come purely from engineering, from technical engineering, from electrical engineering, and there are people that come from a food background, and even there are people that have come from the companies that we work with today.